The Yeti was built to get through the heaviest snowfalls here in the Colorado mountains, which can be up to 5 feet deep.
The tires are 6.5 feet in diameter and only 8 inches wide, allowing them to easily cut through soft snow and travel long distances with minimal fuel consumption. To get the most clearance under the vehicle and balance the transmission gear ratios, Unimog portal axles were used. They include differential locks that provide maximum traction when activated in 4-wheel drive, since all 4 wheels have to slip in order for the Yeti to get stuck. Now that the Yeti is finished, you can see that the bodywork is complete, and an adjustable plow has been added. The plow can be lowered and used in the conventional fashion. Here the Yeti is plowing hail that was piled several inches thick from a freak storm. The plow can be raised and bent in a V to help the Yeti cut through the deepest snow. The Yeti even has a tilt gauge inside that shows when it's in danger of tipping over. The Samson CNC robotic plasma cutting machine is what really made the Yeti possible, because it fabricated most of the custom parts. You just scan or draw the parts you want in the software, and the machine precisely cuts them out of metal in a flash. Get your free demonstration video of a smaller version of this machine at plasmacam.com. This powerful and accurate system is remarkably versatile, easy to use, and affordable. If you're going to be working with metal, you've got to see it.
Wouldn't it be nice if you could make these kinds of products with only a small amount of effort? Now with PlasmaCam, you can.
Hello, I'm Stan. You know, I'm a nuts and bolts kind of guy who doesn't know much about computers. Under normal circumstances, I would not have tried to operate a computer-controlled machine. But then I discovered PlasmaCam. And it wasn't long before I was able to cut out of metal just about any shape imaginable. I can make really impressive metal art projects I never could have made by hand. It amazes me how easily designs from pictures, drawings, and computer files can be turned into finished metal pieces. I can also make all kinds of precise mechanical parts. I can do everything from detailed custom work to mass production. During the next few minutes, I'll show you how you can do this too. PlasmaCam's computerized plasma cutting system is powerful yet easy to use.
The robotic cutting table plugs into your computer just like a printer. The machine uses your ordinary hand plasma torch to do the cutting. It's easy to remove in case you need to cut by hand.
The system includes the PlasmaCam software, a Windows-based program that runs on your PC. The program is used both for creating designs and for controlling the cutting table.
To see how well the machine works, let's design and make some example projects.
The PlasmaCam software lets you cut shapes from pictures or paper drawings. Suppose we wanted to make 200 copies of this leaf.
First, we scan the picture with a computer scanner. The scanner turns the image into a Windows bitmap file. Next, we import the image into the PlasmaCam program. The image is converted into the smooth silhouette profile that we want to cut. Let's fix the rotation of the leaf so it lies vertically. Now, let's say we want this leaf to be 6 inches long. We simply scale it to that size. I'm going to convert the leaf to a cut path and place it where I want it cut from the sheet of metal. It's easy to copy parts and make nested arrays. When I'm ready, I simply tell the machine to cut the leaves out. To change the cut speed while the machine is running, I just turn the dial. Other settings, like the torch height, are easy to change too. At 300 inches per minute, it's amazing how fast the machine cuts these leaves.
Our business is production oriented. We have several restaurants we fabricate for, accounts all over the U.S. When we were cutting by hand, I could not have attained the levels of production that I do now with one plasma cam. We've been operating the plasma cam for 3 years now. It's really proven itself in this shop. The ease of operation is really one of its high points. We come up with our own designs, scan them into the computer, import them to the plasma cam, and just do the minimal cleanup, and we're off and cutting. Another key feature to the machine is the detail, the incredible detail that's attained by this machine. You can see in the elk there that you just couldn't get that by hand. That is the key to my operation, is that detail. The bottom line is this machine makes me money.
The PlasmaCam software lets you create custom projects from ordinary clip art and fonts on your computer.
For example, let's design an address sign using this mountain lion and this creative-looking font, both from a generic clip art CD. First, we import the mountain lion as a DXF file. We need to delete these extra lines that aren't part of the shape we want to cut. To draw the text, we type in the numbers we need. We can select and use any font from the list. Now, let's draw.
Get your free copy of the full 30-minute demo video at plasmacam.com.